Good evening, everyone. Today is Monday. The time here is 7:47. I'm gonna have my coffee first. By the way, I just want to greet you a good morning to you here in Brisbane, Australia. It's evening. It's 7:37. Now let's talk about business about gold. Africa is 24 countries. Mhm. Every country produce gold, but some of the country they produce a small quantity. The biggest quantity that the country produces Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone and Ghana, or even in Congo. Now, Congo, let's talk about Congo. Congo is a United Nations embargo. They smuggled the gold to Nairobi, to Kampala, or to Tanzania in order to find a conduit. Conduit means a partner in order to change the ownership of the gold. Now, we don't do that. My seller produced gold direct from his mine. It's not smuggled. So the seller hired Wilhelmina to handle sales and marketing for them. They hired Wilhelmina in order to handle you, in order to interview you, whether you are a buyer or not. Now, today I'm not going to put the procedure. I want you to subscribe this YouTube channel of mine. You subscribe, and I will put my contact number. Come on WhatsApp or on Skype or come on Messenger. My platform on Facebook is huge. You can select either you want to buy gold in Sierra Leone, either you want to buy gold in Mali, either you're going to buy gold in Conakry. So you have to scroll down, take it easy. Then when you're ready, you come for live video conference. Now during our live video conference, I want to I want to request from you to open your camera. And when you come, do not say hi, hello, because I'm going to reject you. You already watched the video. You know that Wilhelmina explaining how you are going to secure gold. Now, do not say, sir, because I'm not sir. Do I look like sir? Those stupid broker, they, uh, they send me a message, hello, sir, my gosh, immediately I'm going to block you because that is an insult. I am not sir. I am Mrs. Ford. I am Wilhelmina Ford. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. This is my virtual office. My virtual office open 7 days a week from 9 o'clock in the morning until midnight because we have a time difference. Now, I am the extension of the sala. I am the gateway. So the gate would be closed to you if you don't meet the criteria. Number one, when you watch this video, listen from the beginning to the end. Number one, you want to buy gold, you introduce yourself. Just like when you apply for a job. Introduce yourself, send me your resume. Your resume is a copy of your business registration. Your resume is a copy of your importation license. Your resume, a copy of your passport. Your resume, a copy of bank statement that you have $1 million. That is a proof that you are a real buyer. Now, the last that you are going to apply for certificate of money laundering from your end so that you will not be questioned by your bank manager. Because when you transfer money in Africa, your manager will say, is your money clean? Because Africa is also a red flag of smuggling, a red flag of gold laundering as well. The seller would not explain to you like this. Nah. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, who are you? Well, you watch my video. I want you to come to my platform on Facebook. You will know who is Wilhelmina. I'm not chasing you. You are the one chasing this precious mineral. I know that. Now, this guy from Oman, he bumped into my video just a few hours ago. He said to me, I learned from your video, Mrs. Ford. I am a facilitator. I am a broker. So he's broker, but he learned from my knowledge. Knowledge is worth $1,000,000. I give away my knowledge for free. But when I travel with you, Mr. Baya, is another scenario. I do charge my extra service to accompany you. Mr. Baya, don't travel to Africa unprepared. Don't. You are going to lose your money. Now, there was a buyer. He went to Brazil, and his representative and his buyer was offered a very nice deal. They went to Brazil because Brazil has also gold. But the seller didn't explain thoroughly, and they almost become a hostage. This is the explanation of this buyer's representative. And he watched my video. He searched on YouTube channel of mine because I have a lot of video. He said, Mrs. Ford, I learned from your video. I should found you in the beginning. I said, well, it's too late. At least he searched on YouTube. YouTube is the best site, and Facebook, the best of all the best. If you have a phone, you have an internet, just type nowadays. You would not use no more, Mr. Buyer, a chain of middlemen. You have the phone, you have an internet. You can search on YouTube, you can search on Kitco, what is the price of gold. You can search on Facebook. My platform is on Facebook. It's a huge platform. You can select Sierra Leone. You can select Mali. You can select Conakry, Guinea. I put everything so that I would not keep on explaining to everyone. I don't have time to explain. You come to my platform on Facebook, you read it. When you're real, come for conference and I want you to open your camera. Now, Mr. Baya, we are almost ending 2025. And the price of gold is getting higher and higher. Wow. You would not get gold what you expect cheap price. Gold is not cheap. Gold is world asset you are buying. Gold is king. He who has the gold makes the rule. You are not making the rules. You have to follow the golden rules of every country. Because gold is taxable. There is tax on it. Yeah? You're going to say, well, Amina, how much is the tax? You have to listen to this video first. And then you come for conference or you come to visit my YouTube channel and my Facebook. The procedure is there. The tax is there. The purity and the carats is on my platform on Facebook. I want you to read, digest it properly. Don't come if you are not well prepared. Because I'm going to ask you, how did you get my number? That is my first question. And then you're going to say, I found you on YouTube, okay? What did you learn out of my YouTube channel on Facebook and on YouTube? Yes, Wilhelmina, I understand. Really, you did understand. Okay? Then prove it to me that you're a buyer. Again, I'm going to ask you a copy of your registration. I want to validate you. A copy of your importation license. Where the gold to be shipped because we need to know your passport copy and the proof of fund. Without that, I wouldn't believe it. To me, you're a time waster. A real buyer would not waste his time. A real buyer would not talk too much. A real buyer would not talk bullshit. Only chain of joker broker will talk bullshit. Last night before I close, there was a buyer from Europe. He knows me. Yeah, he knows me that he has a buyer and he come to me. He knows me for 5 years. So, Wilhelmina, I have a buyer in Europe. Before I'm going to tell my buyer how much is my commission. And I told him, find another job. This is not for you. So he's not certain that he has a buyer. He's thinking about his commission. We don't pay double commission no more. Instead, we give the buyer a really good price because we want the buyer to make a profit, not a joker broker. Mhm. So I reject this buyer. If I mention his name, he's going to be embarrassed. So I don't want to mention his name so that he would not embarrass. I know him for 5 years. He said, "Oh, I have a big buyer in Europe, a central bank." I said, "Really?" Before I'm going to release the information of the buyer, Wilhelmina, how much is my commission? I told him, "Find another job in your country. This is not for you." If you think about commission, you are not helping your buyer, you are not certain if your buyer meet the criteria or not. Reject. Another buyer, he flew to Conakry today. He has a partner that couldn't find the gold. His partner searched on YouTube, bingo, he got my video. He said that he is a buyer. I said, "Really? You're a buyer? So where are you right now?" "I'm in Conakry." "Oh, so you need to be honest with me. Are you really a buyer?" He said, "Not really. I have a partner." And I told this joker broker, "Tell your partner to travel to Segiri so that he could be chop chop. Because Segiri is a jungle. Get the gold there." A real seller would not sell his gold very cheap. The seller knows the world market. The seller knows how precious is his gold. And you are the gold trader thinking you can get profit. You will get the profit if you are really serious buyer. Yes, guaranteed you will get the profit. Now another buyer from Spain. He was dealing with other fake offer. Disaster. And he knows me. Now he come back to Wilhelmina. He said, "I will not deal with anybody, Wilhelmina. I want to deal with you, but I want to get the gold in Sierra Leone." And I told him I cannot travel because next month I'm gonna be away. I'm going to attend a wedding reception of my nephew. So I would be away, but I told this buyer, even though I would be away, I can travel after February. So he is going to wait for me. He would not deal with anyone. And I told him, "How certain you are?" So Wilhelmina, "I am true buyer." He sent me his credential and I told him, "Your credential is very good." And he said he wanted more. And I told him, in Sierra Leone sometimes they are short of supply. After first trial, I can take you to Conakry or in Mali. So he is willing to wait for me because I'm traveling next month. It's a Christmas, my love. So that's the reason why I warn everyone. Secure now. Last month, 3 months ago, I told, or last year, I predicted already that the price of gold will be skyrocket. I was right. But you guys, you don't believe in this woman. This woman is full of wisdom. Those joker broker doesn't like my guts. I was a member of LinkedIn. I was being attacked by Stephen Williamson. I was being attacked that even the lady from South Africa. Her name is Wenka. He's a white lady. She just attacked me and attacked me. Good luck to you guys. Because to me, I'm not scared. We have the gold, you have the money. Those people who was attacking me are joker broker. He couldn't get the gold. And then you attack me. Mrs. Ford is always here. You're gonna say, "Oh, well, Amina is a scammer." I don't know how much I scam you guys. We are debt free here in Australia. I love to help you because this is good business. You want to earn money? I want to earn money as well. I am helping you, right? I am the extensions of the seller. I am your business facilitator. You want to get the profit? I will give you, but in the proper way. Show me first your credential. You're applying for a job. You're applying to purchase gold. This gold is precious. There's a saying, he who has the gold makes the rule, isn't it? So the owner of the gold is making the rules, not you. You have the money, talk to Wilhelmina, I will talk to you, I will interview you, then you can get the profit. Then I will give you a really good price. And then you're going to say, well, Amina, how much is the price? Well, the price today, the fourth per ounce is 4,344.22. On refined gold is 139.70 per kilo. That is gold volume already. You're not buying refined. We are selling unrefined, which is raw materials, which is gold doribar, 22 to 23 plus carats, and the purity from 95, 97. You are buying raw materials in order for you to refine it to make into jewelry, wedding ring, necklace, earrings, bracelet, false teeth, medical uses, industrial, $1, $2, and spare parts on mobile phone. This is what you are searching for, right? You're gonna say, well, Amina, where is the gold? Did I not mention to you that the gold is in Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone? Well, Amina was the one who handled the company in Africa, Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone. And then you're gonna ask me, well, Amina, what is the name of the company? I will give you the name of the company when you come for interview, because I'm going to interview you. Just like when you apply for a job, you are going to submit your resume. Your resume is your business registration. Your resume is your importation license. Your resume is your passport. Your resume is to show me the proof of fund that you have $1,000,000. Without that, I wouldn't believe it. To be frank with you, I need to be frank with you. If you cannot show me your credential, to me, you are not a buyer. Don't waste the time. Time is money. And Wilhelmina will assist you on the ground. Wilhelmina is charging you her extra service. I'm giving you the information for free. Knowledge is worth 1,000,000. Don't you know that? The seller would not explain to you like this. None whatsoever. Joker broker come to Wilhelmina. Well, it's okay if you're a joker broker, right? I call you joker because you're not paying attention. You read. This video, I would not put the procedure. I just only put my contact number and the link on Facebook. You go there, select which one you like. Don't come unprepared. You need to read thoroughly, scroll, digest it. When you're ready, you come for conference. Because my question is, how did you get my number? You need to introduce yourself properly. Do not say me hi, hello, because my name is not hi, hello. My name is Wilhelmina Ford and Mrs. Ford. Okay? A few nights ago, I had a conference with 3 people. One guy, he said that he works in the Swiss bank. Okay? And he connected me to my network. A lady from Switzerland and the gentleman is from London. So he connected me on video conference. It was I attended the party. I've given them the privilege to entertain. So I get out from the party we're enjoying because it's a Christmas party. So I was listening to this guy. He's African. He said he works in the Swiss bank. I don't believe. So I carry to listen to these buyers that he's a buyer. So I told this network of mine, let him explain, let him talk, and I'm listening. So he has so many questions. And I said to my contact, did you give this gentleman a procedure? Yes, well, I mean, we did. Because there were 2 network of mine connected these fake buyers. So I can sense the accent. He's African. I'm not African. I was born in the Philippines. I'm Australian. I live in Brisbane. So he was really arrogant. Rah, 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 just like a dog. And I told this buyer, Relax, take it easy. Calm down, calm down. I told these stupid fake buyers, calm down, calm down. So suddenly, they have an argument with the two network of friend of mine. And I said to a friend of mine, don't argue with this guy. He's not a buyer. Because if he works in the bank, he knows the rules of the bank. He's from Switzerland. Switzerland has no gold. Swiss people, they travel to Africa to get the raw materials and bring it to Switzerland and they refine it. So suddenly this fake buyer said, oh, we're going to bring the gold to Dubai. Can you imagine that? So there was a discrepancy of conversation. I'm very clever. I use business psychology. I psychologize these fake buyers. He said he's a buyer. At the end of the day, he has a buyer. Can you imagine that? Mr. Buyer, don't be a fool because Mrs. Ford is not a fool. That's the reason why I have to interview you so that I can validate you, so that I could determine whether you're real or not. Reject. So, this network of mine, I told him, don't worry about this guy. He's not a buyer, he's a fake buyer. You know that this network of mine, Wilhelmina, you are really very patient. Don't worry. The world is your oyster. We are here to do business. And this fake buyer says, Wilhelmina, what is your role? I cannot see your website. I told this fake buyer, you just go on my platform on Facebook. My face is everywhere. My address is there. So he didn't comprehend. Maybe he didn't go to school. He said he's a banker. If you're a banker, you're well educated. You know that the bank needs gold. So this is fake buyer. He didn't service his buyer. At the end, he's asking for commission. Can you imagine that? Oh, we don't pay double commission. We don't. I'm the one who will give you a referral fee instead. My seller would not. Because once we give the buyer a price discount, that's it. No middleman, no double commission, no INSEE in the. If you're gonna ask me sign INSEE in the, to me you're a broker. You are. Because once you send me your credential and you need to identify how many kilo you need on the first trial, second, third, and fourth, we will respond to you once I validated you. We will send you a confirmation of your order. What carrots, how many quantity, first, second, third, and fourth shipment. We will put that on the contract. I will gather your contact number, address, email, and phone number so that I could determine which seller I'm going to put you. If you are from Dubai, yes, Conakry, direct flight Emirates. You use Emirates Sky Cargo. Yes, I will educate you. But guys, my services is not for free. When I travel with you as a buyer, I do charge my extra service. Today, this year, I charge $20,000. When the price of gold is high, my services is also high. So you cannot afford, then you are not a buyer. Next year, 2025, there is a prediction that the gold will turn to 5,000 per ounce, which is 5,000 per ounce times 32.15. This could be the price 2026. I don't know if you can afford it. Yes? I'm telling you, you will come to Wilhelmina whether you like it or not. So if you're watching this video, just take it easy. Relax. Come back when you're ready. But if you're just brokering, and then you ask Wilhelmina, in to me, you're a joker. We are not here to play games. Gold is not for joker. This is real business. That is the reason why the company in Africa hired Wilhelmina. Now going back to this joker buyer. He said, oh, I want to see Wilhelmina's website. My dear, I'll give you my background again. I used to be in real estate. Here in Australia, when we sell property, we put that online. I have my personal website, right? I'm already retired from real estate. we are debt free. I'm not a beggar asking you guys sign an NCD, NCNDA. I'm not a beggar. Yeah. The seller is the one who begged me instead to handle them. I didn't beg the seller to handle them. The owner of the gold begging me to handle them because the owner of the gold is sick and tired dealing with the fake buyer as well. So that is the reason why I promote Africa. You wouldn't find this woman anywhere. You wouldn't find the seller anywhere. Now this fake buyer from Switzerland, right? He's not a buyer. I'm just answering the question, guys, so that you're gonna be aware that you are not dealing with a cheap price. Gold is very expensive. If you're just brokering, forget about it. And if your buyer is just using you, find another job because this is not for you. Buyer knows how to find gold. He has a phone, he has an internet. He knows. He's just playing games with you. If he is a bank knows. Knows at the price. So going back to this fake buyers, reject. Hmm. Now recently, I think last April, I took father and son. I have to explain to you guys. We're giving the father and son a good deal November 12. And then suddenly, they make a decision to travel 2025. So I wasn't aware that the price of gold is high. During the time when I took the buyer, the seller turned him down. Why? The father and son keep on bargain. The father and son didn't show his proof of fund. I trusted this father and son. I trusted him. And he kept on bargaining and I told him, okay, I will find another seller, but you have to reduce the 10 kilos to 7 kilos so that it would fit in your $600,000. I took him to the office because I have three sellers in Conakry. He didn't meet the criteria to my expensive seller because price is price. So I took him to the seller's office. There was a discrepancy because of the price. And I took him to the exporter. You know, the exporter was saying, if you buy gold from me, Mr. Buyer, 3%. Yeah, he was shocked. And I told this buyer and father and son, see, I told you, you're really taking for granted. And then I took him to Emirates Air Cargo in the airport. The Emirates also charging shipping cost and insurance. Guy, you're lucky that I'm explaining right now to you in front of you. You're lucky. The seller would not explain to you like this. The seller will say, yeah, come. Here's my gold, pay. I am here to guide you, but my services is not for free. Well, you need to travel with Wilhelmina so that I could assist you and help you, but don't go behind my back because you are going to fail. I'm telling you. And my $20,000 is non-refundable. Why I do charge you $20,000? You're buying expensive item, yeah? And that $20,000, it covers my travel cost to be with you. You have two options. You don't need to pay $20,000. You can travel by yourself. I will endorse you to the head office that you are buying, okay? And you're gonna be invited and you will be issued a landing visa and you are going to be a special guest of the seller. So Wilhelmina would not be with you if you cannot afford to pay my extra service to cover all my traveling costs. I went to my lawyer because I was bullied by this stupid buyer, father and son. I paid my lawyer's advice, legal advice. I don't have any question. Just only to talk to my lawyer and I come to the office, they charge me. I have to pay because that is services. I am also charging you, Mr. Buyer, my services. If you cannot afford, therefore you don't have money to pay the gold. You're buying $1,000,000 here. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, I'm really a buyer. What is the procedure? Come and click below this video. I would not put the procedure no more. Just click below and get my number. Then we will discuss it. Now the price of gold on 22 carats at the moment is 127.94 per kilo. Regardless of the world market price, less 5%. Now, when I travel with you, I will renegotiate the price for you to my head office. I will give you 8%. You get the profit. You sell it to Dubai, 2%. So you're still 6%. But on the first shipment, your profit is just even. But if you continue every week, every month, you will recover your expenses. At the end of the year, your profit is 80%. It depends on the quantity. You put your money in the bank, a term deposit, 3.5%. You buy gold every month or every week, 6,000 or 7 or 8,000 profit every bar. You will become multi-millionaire. But you will not become multi-millionaire on the first shipment. You need to taste the water. You need to build your credibility to us, especially to Alamina. So does that make sense now, Mr. Baya? So this video, there is no procedure. I just put my contact number and link on Facebook. Go there, and if you really satisfied, that is the time you contact Wilhelmina. However, I'm going to put the price today so that you're gonna be aware. Okay? I have so many videos. I know everybody visited my YouTube channel. There's a lot of buyers they come back to me. Just imagine this guy. He went to Ghana. He lost money. Now he said to me, Wilhelmina, I will wait for you. I want to come to Conakry and Sierra Leone. But at first, I have to go to Sierra Leone. I said, yeah, it's okay. And I told this buyer, don't worry if the price goes up. I will update you the price and I will renegotiate the price for you. Don't panic. I have already his credential. He sent it to me. And he's very patient. I told him I cannot travel this month or next month because I'm going to be away. Even though I'm away, I can still entertain you guys. Now, the office, the mining company will close December 20 and be back January 8. Okay, because it's rainy season. But the seller accumulate stock. We have plenty of stock. I'm open 7 days a week. It doesn't matter if it's holiday, Christmas, or New Year. I will gather your information first before we're gonna proceed your transaction. Thank you very much, Mr. Buyer. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's catch up before the price goes up. By the way, 2026, there is a prediction the price will turn to 5,000 per ounce. 5,000 per ounce times 32.15. This could be the price. So secure now so that you can be fixed. I will help you to get the gold properly. Yeah? Don't worry about the 20,000 my extra service. You're a winner at the end of the day. Remember, my 20,000 is non-refundable. That is to cover my travel cost to be with you. Next year, I'm gonna increase my extra service. As I've said to you in the beginning, you have two options. You travel yourself, 5%. But if you travel with me, 8%. Okay? So let's discuss it. Come on conference, open your camera, introduce yourself properly. Be professional. You're a businessman. You act as a businessman. Don't be rude to Wilhelmina because I'm going to reject you. Before I'm going to close, I send a contract to this idiot buyer, and I called him idiot. He just received it and he didn't return. Now he flew to Conakry. Mhm. And he said that I have to instruct my seller to bring the gold to Central Bank. I said, no, we don't. You have to come to the office. Now, he cannot come to the office because my seller was telling me, don't worry about this buyer. This buyer is arrogant. We don't deal with arrogant. We have the gold. He cannot get the gold. He has the money. Yeah, he has the money. So what happened? Disaster. He went to Conakry. And the agent called me. I said, no, I cannot help him. Tell him to return the contract. Then I will ask my head office to accommodate him. He didn't get the gold. Can you imagine that? He is he's deceitful buyer. He is deceitful. I'm refraining to say scam. Scam means you lied, you're deceitful. I'll give you an example, Mr. Buyer. Why Jesus was crucified? Because he was being betrayed by Judas. Any one of you who betrayed yourself, you are also Judas to yourself. You don't need to be Judas. You have the money. Fair is fair. I am here to help you. Fair is fair. Can you understand that, Mr. Baya? Once again, I'm not going to elaborate no more. This is last video for 2025. I'm gonna have a video entering January 2026 because I'm monitoring the movement of gold. But come to my platform on Facebook, read it. You will not mislead. You only will be misled if you deceive yourself. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening once again. If you found this video, subscribe and give me a comment. Give me a likes if you like it. I know you're scared to put the comment. It's okay because you are just hiding yourself. Maybe you're a criminal. Maybe you're a swindler. A real buyer would not hide himself. I don't hide myself. This is my virtual office. I am live. Come for conference. Don't be scared. I will help you to get what you are looking for. But price is price. Thank you and good morning to you and good evening.